Hello everyone, Mid here, and we are playing more Ori and the Will of the Wisps. This is going to be part 2. Let's get into it. What were we doing again? The wellspring mill sits silent, its great gears unmoving. Go fix what ails it, that the waters might flow once more. Okay, so we were going left to the windmill, to the water wheel, to make it work again. So yeah. Is it up here, or... No, it isn't. Okay. Hello, Moki. You are not a Moki, I can tell. Your ears are too floppy. I notice things, like this map I found. I would give it to Lupo the map maker, but he has enough maps. It should go to the one who wanders. I hear he used to love maps, maybe he would love this one. Could you give it to him? I saw him up in Wellspring Glades. You mean give it to him? And we now have the first part of the hand-to-hand quest. Gorlock Ore. Hey, who tore down my wall? It was I. My name is Ori. Come on over. Let's get a closer look at you. Hello, Goram. I didn't dare hope the rumors were true, but here you are. Yuan is a home to a spirit once more. You made quick work of the wall there. Guess my building skills aren't what they used to be. Still, I made a promise. I would provide refuge from the decay here. These glades are counting on me, spirit. But without ore, I fear I will let them all down. The materials I need were abandoned when my kind fled to the mines. And without the proper supplies, well, my dream of a haven might end before it has even begun. Care to help make these glades a better place? Why not, Grom? I'll get right on that. Now that I'm building again, I can call myself a true Gorlock once more. Few true Gorlock are left, so beware if you see anyone out there who looks like me. All of us escaped the corruption in time. Before our home was swallowed by sand, the spirits saw potential in Gorlock Ore. They disappeared before they could try what we built them. But now you're back, and that can change. I'm sorry, I don't have enough. Always a pleasure. Why, yes, it is a pleasure indeed working with you. Very good, sir. Okay. We'll be back here later. Oh right, I have this. Forgot. Anything over here? Some ore. Thank you very much. So this way is the wellspring? Or it leads to the wellspring, I mean. We remember this place. Waters from the Luma pools flows through here, feeding the marsh into life, or used to flow before the decay, before the mill stopped. Why is it doing that? I didn't click anything. The wellspring. Yeah, the wellspring. Time to make this place work. Take this. In we go. Though the distance was vast. It could not keep the family apart. Which way do you want to go first? Can't remember. Can't go there yet, so we'll go here. Huzzah! Nothing there? I think I might be going the wrong way, but it's also kind of working. I'll talk to you later. Or not talk, but fight. Anything over here? Alrighty, it's up and working. So, how are you all doing? Good, I hope. Obviously, I'm having fun. I do like this game. Hello, Lupo. Welcome to the Wellspring Mill, where all the wet comes from. Or came from, at least. I used to be a little nervous about mapping these great gears. What if they suddenly decide to turn again? But they've been still as a slumbering spittle slug for so long now, it's safe for now. Probably. Care to purchase a map of this monumental maze for 225 spirit light? Yes, thank you. Much obliged. We don't need the map, but we are going to take it anyway. Thank you. Down we go. This door is on, it's still locked. We're gonna go ahead and get a tree now. Absorb the light. Grapple. You've gained a new ability. Press near hooks or blue moss to pull yourself towards them. So basically, it lets you do this. It didn't work. Just a second. I have to get up here first or something. Oh, yeah, the tree. I always do forget that. Pretty cool, isn't it? So this opens the door. Hello, Talk. You need your needle, don't you?
Oh no.
Sorry. Those crisp dotted lines, that bold X, there's a treasure map. Here I'll swap my Wanderer's pouch for it. Something tells me I'll need a bigger bag. Yeah. Yeah, I remember. So he needs the compass needle. Think you could help me find it? I believe it was somewhere near that door through that door over there. I know where it is, so we're gonna go ahead and get that. If I remember. First we're gonna try and head downwards to... oh yeah, here. There we go. Spin round, round, round. I don't actually know if there's any point to that. But we did get shiny something. Giant spirit-like container. Spirit-like can be traded to friendly creatures for various items and upgrades. So anyway, now we can... Is it up here? I think I need to unlock it first. So I can use it again. That did something. So yeah, we're gonna hit this down, so it's easier to get back up. Oops. Here we go. Hello. You want a bag, right? Yes, exploring is harder than I thought, especially without a bag to carry. Oh, that's a very big bag you have. May I have it? Oh, thank you. Here, you can have my old herb pouch. The pouch is old, but the herbs are fresh. So fresh. Hoorah! Now we need to find someone who needs a herb pouch. Wasn't trying to do that. Okay, let's do this first try, so I don't have to do it again. Hello, big boy. Ha ha ha. Hello. What a maze this old mill is. No time to tarry, though. Still a ways to go. I've knowledge to acquire, and you've a mill to instick. And a friend to find, I hear. Good luck. No time to waste. Why can't I do that? So we're going to be looking for it here, I think. Just hold on. Was it up then? So we got a Gorlick ore. I think I might have found what I'm supposed to be doing. Yeah. Energy cell fragment. No, I didn't find where I was supposed to be going. Just secrets. Alright, I didn't go this way before. Oh, just more ore. So, yeah, turns out I was right. The compass is here. I just don't know why. I thought that was a different area. I didn't mean to do that. I do mean to do this though. Turn. We're not gonna take that path just yet. So let's go. Ah, the music. I love it. So if we just go up, yeah, we found the iron needle. Return the iron needle to talk. So Doc should be waiting for us up above. The wellspring was once a home to a great library, Ori. Knowledge flowed like water through its walls. Now much of what once was is lost, and the water sits still. Okay, we're gonna go back. Just real fast. I forgot. My compass, you found it. I'm in your debt, fellow wanderer. Here, take this. Debt paid. Gore like ore. Thank you, good sir. I will use that. How do I get up there? I can't. Hello, Ofer. The legends were true, Spirit. The Wellspring Library. Just look at all of this knowledge. But there's something else. A foul presence nearby. There, can't you smell it? Seems to be wafting down from somewhere up above. Mind checking out while I browse these books? Of course, if you like to own your skills, I am available. So we're gonna learn this. Fast travel. It lets us, well, select spirit wells on the map and warp to them from anywhere. There's a limit on what I can teach you. After all, I cannot teach you what I do not know. But I've heard of a place with some knowledge, ancient spirit knowledge. The entrance is said to be barred to all but the most observant. Good luck. Okay, so I just need to do that for the map. We'll get that later. Mysterious seed. You found a new quest item. It glows dimly. Perhaps someone knows what sort of seed this is. Or it is one of those. Let's go check it out. First try, come on. A foul presence indeed. On we go. Hurry. Whew. We got away. The waters flow once more, swift and clear, bright and clean. You are very brave. So brave, so soggy. We must dwell to Quolock. This is a happy day for all the marsh. So now our goal is to return to Quolock. High and dry. Avoid touching any corrupted water. I finally got that. Okay. Well, I think that'll do it for this episode. Yeah. Bye bye everybody. Bye bye.